Okay, hello everyone. It's me Deepak Raj Bhatt. I'm going to uh, solve the some question related to our MSc exam entrance and question. I'm going to upload one by one to day by day of this MSc entrance exam question. Now, likewise, this uploading of this all question related to MSc entrance exam. Today, I'm going to upload the question MSc exam entrance question number 26. Today, I'm going to continue the given question related to MSc exam entrance question from question number 26. Okay. Question number 26 related to electronics. Okay. Related to electronics. Electronics. Okay. Question number 26 is that silicon diodes are less suited for low voltage rectifier. Silicon diodes are less suited for low voltage rectifier. Silicon diode silicon diodes are less suited for low voltage rectifier operation. Number 4, it cannot withstand high temperature. It cannot withstand high temperature. Similarly, this is our option A. And option B, its reverse saturation current is low. Its reverse saturation current is, yes please, current is low. Okay. And similarly, its cut in voltage is high. Its cut in voltage is high. Its cut in voltage is high. D number, its breakdown voltage is high. Its breakdown voltage high. Why the silicon diode are less suited for low voltage rectifier operation? Why does the silicon diode are mainly used for mainly used for high voltage rectifier operation. But moreover, in addition, it is less suited for low voltage rectifier. Why? We have arranged one question related to semiconductor diodes. We have given one silicon diode which is very less suited, which is not suited for low voltage rectifier. What is the reason? We have given four options. Option A, it cannot withstand high temperature. Option B, its reverse saturation current is low. Option D, its cut-in voltage is high. And option number D, its breakdown voltage is high. Among these four relations, we pick out one of the option. Due to this option sentence, we say that silicon diodes are less suited for low voltage. Okay. Question number 26 option is, I think, option number C. Its cut in voltage is high. Its cut in voltage is high. Silicon diode has cut in voltage is high. Silicon diode has cut in voltage is high. That's why silicon diodes are mainly preferred for high voltage rectifier operation. And it is less suitable for low voltage rectifier operation. In addition, I am going to solve the next question. Question number is 27 number question. Question number 27. I have given question number 27. Okay. Question number 27 is that bridge rectifier are preferred because, scientists are mainly manufacture the bridge rectifier. They are manufactured so many types of rectifier, like this all p-n junction rectifier, silicon diode rectifier, and among these all types of rectifier, and this bridge rectifier rectifiers are preferred. Bridge rectifier are preferred. Bridge rectifier are preferred because in option A, bridge rectifier are preferred because they require a small transformer. They require small transformer. They require small transformer. Option B. They have a loss peak inverse voltage. They have a loss peak inverse voltage. Option C, they need a small transformer. They need a small transformer. And also have a less peak of inverse voltage, and also have a less peak, also have a less peak, inverse, also have a less peak, inverse voltage. They have a low recoil factor. They have a low recoil factor. Bridge rectifier are preferred. Bridge rectifier are preferred. Why the bridge rectifier are mainly used by scientists for which purpose? Yes, this question may arise. I think these questions are focused. These questions are mainly pointed to us to know about the bridge rectifier. Okay, bridge rectifier is one kind of rectifier, yes, which is preferred or which is used for which purpose. On option A, they have require small transformer. Option B, they have a loss peak inverse voltage. And option C, they need a small transformer and also have a less peak inverse voltage. They have a low recoil factor. Among the four sentence, we pick out, we mostly pick out one of the option which is the best for bridge rectifier. Okay, I'm going to announce. Please try yourself. If you know, then you will take yourself. Okay, I'm going to solve this option. The question number 27, option number C.